In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Viber pop-up notifications so your messages won't appear on your screen while using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now, tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings. Then tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you find the Pop-up Notifications option. Simply turn the toggle off to disable pop-up notifications. On some devices, you may be redirected to your phone's notification settings, where you can disable pop-up. Once disabled, you'll still receive Viber notifications, but they won't pop up on your screen. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off pop-up notifications on Viber for a more private and distraction-free experience. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, privacy settings, and how-to tutorials.